For sale, 1962 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 2D. Round pushpin location, Fairfield Twp, OH. Heavy $ price, $55,000. Oncoming automobile, vehicle details. Mileage, 2,060 miles. Transmission, manual. Exterior color, black. Interior color, black. Ownership status, paid off. Hammer and wrench, seller's notes. This stunning 1962 Chevrolet Corvette features a 327 engine, non-original motor, paired with a smooth 4-speed manual transmission. The car boasts a classic black-on-black color scheme, with older driver quality paint and a hardtop included. Recently upgraded with a new fuel tank, this vehicle is a ready-to-drive piece of automotive history. Telephone receiver contact now to make this classic Corvette yours. For sale, 1963 Pontiac Grand Prix. Round pushpin location, Nicholasville, Kentucky. Heavy $ price, $1,250,000. Oncoming automobile, vehicle details. Mileage, 50,000 miles. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, red. Interior color, white. Fuel type, petrol. Ownership status, paid off. History, clear, no significant damage. Hammer and wrench, seller's notes. This 1963 Pontiac Grand Prix is a rare classic in excellent running condition with all original components. The interior looks virtually brand new, offering a pristine driving experience. While the car is ready to roll, some metal work around the back window is needed for perfection. This is a fast and timeless beauty that is sure to impress. Telephone receiver contact today to make this extraordinary classic yours. For sale, 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D. Round pushpin location, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Heavy $ price, $45,000 firm. Oncoming automobile, vehicle details. Mileage, 70,000 miles. Transmission, manual. Exterior color, red. Interior color, black. Fuel type, petrol. Ownership status, paid off. Hammer and wrench, seller's description. This 1964 Corvette Convertible is a thrilling combination of style and power. Equipped with a 383-stroker engine producing 460 HP, dyno verified. Upgraded with a Tremec TKX transmission. Features a new suspension, new disc brakes, and Borgeson power steering. A fun, fast car that's been expertly enhanced while retaining its classic appeal. Automobile availability. This stunning Corvette will be ready to view on January 5th. Speed balloon no. Price is firm. Serious inquiries only. Telephone receiver, don't miss your chance. Schedule a viewing today. For sale, 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air Pro Street. Round pushpin location, Rochester, New York. Heavy $ price, $37,500. Oncoming automobile, vehicle details. Mileage, 5,000 miles. Transmission, automatic, turbo 400 reverse manual. Exterior color, purple. Interior color, custom silver. Fuel type, petrol. Ownership history, 2 owners paid off. Hammer and wrench, seller's description. This Pro Street 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air is a showstopper with performance to match. 454 engine with 590 HP, dyno verified. Turbo 400 reverse manual transmission. Custom silver interior with a glass finish purple exterior. Equipped with a Ford 9-inch rear, power disc brakes all around, and manual rack tilt steering. Custom A-arms, coil overs, and a 3-link rear suspension provide the perfect stance. A true build with exceptional paint, bodywork, and top-notch components. This Bel Air is priced to sell as a winter special. Speed balloon note. Serious buyers only. Inquiries about availability will not be answered. Telephone receiver, act fast. This deal won't last. For sale, 1973 Ford Mustang Convertible 2D. Round pushpin location, Troy, Ohio. Heavy $sign price, $7,000. Oncoming automobile vehicle details. Mileage, 77,777 miles. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, red. Interior color, brown. Fuel type, petrol. Ownership, long-term owner since 1994, paid off. Hammer and wrench, seller's description. This 1973 Ford Mustang Convertible is a solid classic with great potential. Here are the highlights. Power convertible top works flawlessly. Equipped with a 302 V8 engine. Runs well. A fun drive as is, or an ideal candidate for a full restoration. Stored for several years, but recently driven for several days with no issues. Speech balloon note, serious buyers only. The seller is firm on the $7,000 asking price and will not respond to lowball offers. Telephone receiver, grab this classic before it's gone. For sale, 1966 Mercedes-Benz 250 SE 2-door coupe. Round pushpin location, Asbury Park, New Jersey. Heavy $sign price, $34,500. Oncoming automobile vehicle details. Mileage, 54,000 miles. Transmission, manual, 4-speed. Exterior color, white. Interior color, red, original leather with patina. Fuel type, petrol. Ownership, 2 owners, paid off. History, clear, no significant damage or problems. Sparkle's key features and highlights. Rare 4-speed manual transmission. Factory power sunroof. Exceptionally clean and rust-free body. Original leather interior with beautiful patina. Straight body panels with excellent factory panel gaps. Strong, smoke-free engine. Brilliant chrome with just a minor ding in the rear bumper. Newer exhaust system. Well-maintained tiger wood trim. Frame picture, overall condition. Paint in excellent condition, as shown in photos. A true pleasure to drive classic. Speech balloon, seller's note. This rare 250 SE W111 coupe has been lovingly cared for and is now part of a liquidated collection. Perfect for any collector or enthusiast looking for a stylish, well-preserved Mercedes classic. Telephone receiver contact. Hidden information for inquiries and further details. Don't miss this opportunity to own a timeless classic. For sale, 1995 Pontiac Firebird Trans AM Hatchback 2D. Round pushpin location, Cinnaminson Twp, NJ. Heavy $sign price, $13,500. Oncoming automobile vehicle details. Mileage, 37,600 miles original. Transmission, 6-speed manual with T-tops. Exterior color, green. Interior color, tan. Fuel type, petrol. Fuel efficiency, 15 mpg city/23 mpg highway/18 mpg combined. Ownership, 3+ owners, clean NJ title. History, clear, no significant damage or problems. Sparkle's key features and highlights. Well-preserved original mileage. Runs perfectly. Paint in excellent condition. Mint interior with minor imperfections. Typical dash crack. Small blemish in the headliner. Aftermarket radio installed. Original radio included. Hammer and wrench, maintenance notes. Passenger window operates slowly. A replacement motor is included with the sale. Speech balloon, seller's note. This low-mileage 1995 Trans AM is a true classic for enthusiasts, featuring the LT1 V8 and a rare manual transmission. The car has been well-maintained and is ready for a new owner. Perfect for those seeking a stylish, powerful muscle car. Telephone receiver contact. Reach out for inquiries or additional details. Clean NJ, title ready for transfer. Keywords: hot rod, classic, Camaro, Chevrolet, muscle car, V8, manual, LT1, F-body.